Why is it so expensive to repair a broken Samsung screen? No matter which model of Samsung phone you use, replacing the broken screen is quite expensive. Believe it or not, labor cost isn't what is inflating the price. You are welcome to our channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more helpful content from us. On this video, we are going to look at why Samsung screens are always more expensive to replace compared to other smartphones. If you also want to know how to identify a fake Samsung phone, then check out the link in this video description below. Samsung mobile phone screens are notoriously expensive, and often the cost of a replacement is nearly as much as a second-hand phone. The reason for this is that the manufacturing cost is high. It is expensive to repair the broken screen because there are no cheaper options. No copy part screens to repair your phone with. Only official Samsung screens are always available. Most Samsung screens use active matrix organic LED technology and are made by Samsung themselves. Manufacturers of compatible third-party displays based mainly in China have not yet succeeded in making their own equivalent. Samsung has great mobile phones, and when compared to Apple, it can be argued that you get more for your money when buying the device. But what should be considered in the decision is the repair cost of the device you are contemplating. Leave us a comment in the comments box. We will check it out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Don't also forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, we will make sure you don't miss out any content from us. Thank you for watching.